Guys, I in Blue Mountain today. I'm going to take a ride over there. Let's have fun with me. Come on. So Alex, have rides.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm in line. How can go?
Wow, so how do you show your excitement? Jumping? Can you jump?
No,
Can you jump?
no.
Yes, you can jump. Can you tell?
I yesterday here.
With whom? With mom and dad?
Yes, I take baby here. Right.
Would you like which color of the car is?
That one.
Oh, is it a blue or it's a white color?
Blue.
Are you excited for the ride?
Yes,
Will you sit with mama or will you sit alone?
I will sit with you. I
Oh,
never sit alone. I never sit alone. I will sit with you. I'm going to ride. I never stay alone. I'm going to ride. I'm going to which ride I can have. The blue one. I can take the blue one. That coming down. I want to do it ride. Run. Because it's a sunny day outside.
oh wow.
20 teens.
Oh, and how much it cost?
Three many.
Oh, it costs a lot of money.
Those cost not three money.
Wow.
No, not the three money.
Whose tickets are these? This is for? Did you like the ride?
Yes,
It's from the jungles or it's from the mountains?
it's up the mountain.
Oh, did you want to come again with mama?
Yes, I'm gonna get pocket candy. Pocket candy, pocket